Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the new tool deals, or the new tools that just dropped. Actually some Packouts. It's like the link system from Ryobi, but it's the Packout version. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright guys, this one's $749. I think it's a little high for the price. However, you can take this box to the customer service. Maybe you can get yourself some discount. Alright, clearance section here, you got the Hoover. The whole house for $135 down from $169. So you got a bunch of vacuums here on clearance. You got the deep cleaning made easy Hoover. The scrub light pet carpet, $189 down from $239. Alright, we got a power dash pet. So you got this one. Believe it's $119. And then this one's $111 but down for $139. And you got the air purifier there for $349. Alright, you got some coolers here. You got a 16 quart cooler, $23 down from $24. You got this Igloo cooler, $56 down from $59.98. The tag along. Got the Evergreen backpack cooler, $47 down from $49. So not too bad. Nice size. Great for the outdoors. If you're walking, you know, taking some water, some sodas, some sandwiches. You got a DeWalt starter kit. Then you got the Ryobi link system on clearance, $10 down from $10.98. You got the hook here. Double link bin for $7.50. You got the Link S hook for $8.50. You got the 3.5 high carbon steel universal multi-tool blade. These are all $12 by the way. Hardwood on that one. Got the Diablo 4x1. So it's a 7 inches. It's a 7.25 inch thick masonry grinding. Then you got the 4 inch by 1/4 inch thick. A grinding wheel. You got a cutoff for circular saw. It says right here. So I don't know. Never seen this on a circular saw. It says 6.5 by 1. Alright, the Makita Clearance section. Yeah, they got the 12 volt clearance. So they got the charger battery and charger kit, $49. They got the circular saw, 12 volt circular saw, $59 down from $89. You got the reciprocating saw, $99 down from $139. You got the drill driver kit, $79 down from $111. So pretty solid deals on these. You got that's the starter kit for $49 down from $89. That was you guys get to see it because these are rare actually. Yeah guys, these are on clearance. This is the Ridgid 22 Pro gear cart, $49.98. I know the new ones are coming out. These are pretty decent still for the money, especially for that $50. So definitely check it out. Nice. I really like the latches, metal latches and everything. But yeah, but these are getting clearance out because the 2.0 is coming out. You got $19.97 for a 22 piece titanium. I haven't tested these bits yet. I believe I have a package from these newer bits laying around somewhere. I maybe would have to use them for a tool testing video or something like that. Got a 6.5 magnesium circular saw for $49. Then you got a miter saw for $3.99. And then you got a miter saw stand. You got a Speed Demon 6 spade bit set, $9.98. Plus you get 2 more. You got a 1288, your choice here. Obviously these circular saw blades are the ones to get. And those spade bits, it's even the The jigsaw blades, those are pretty nice too. So definitely stock up on all these guys, because you know you don't get those all year long. 19.88 for the sanding disc, so you get some free there. Alright, so they got these deals. Buy one get one free. You buy any of the ones at the bottom, you get a free 4 amp hour high output performance battery. You can choose from the table saw, the miter saw, or the track saw. That's the one you guys been asking for a lot lately, for this track saw. So it's $3.99, and that is the battery you guys are getting for free with those tools. That's a really nice battery, by the way. It's a 4 amp hour high performance. That is the table saw kit. So it's a really nice table saw, brushless, $3.99. Got the miter saw stand at the bottom, $179. Got the vacuum there at the bottom, $99. You got the miter saw. It is a 10-inch slider, $3.99. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free from M12 Milwaukee. Same thing, you buy any of the tools on the left, you get the tool on the right for free, which is the battery. So that's a pretty good deal. If you guys want to hack these tools, you guys can do that. Same thing with these. These are a great smoking killer deal, especially with the top tier. Those are the best ones to get, guys. I would definitely go top or bottom or medium. My bad, top or medium. So those are the top. You get that 6 amp hour for free if you buy any of the tools on the left. This is mid tier. You get circular saw drill for not $2.99, or you can get this Milwaukee Packout light. I do have that. Thing's a beast, really bright. Got an angle grinder, multi-tool. Got a paddle switch or a slider, whatever you want to get. Give yourself a free 5 amp hour battery with this deal. That is the multi-tool, and the 5 at the end. Valued at $149. Alright, so this is the cheaper, the lower tier. You get a 2 amp hour battery, valued at $89. You can choose from the vacuum. You can choose from the one-handed reciprocating saw, or the tool combo kit. So lots of good tools to choose from. Especially, like I said, top 2 tiers are the best ones. Now it's $3.99. Alright, they got the saw here too, only for $2.99. It's a 16-inch. Or they got the blower kit. I do have this blower. It's the beast. I know there's some new ones coming out. Alright, we got the new DeWalt. These are actually fairly new. I never seen these before. It's the first time I see one of these at the store. Maybe I think I seen one like a few years back, but I never see these at the stores. Tell you the truth, I'm not really impressed with the quality. It feels a little flimsy, like Craftsman type. I think even the Craftsman's a better quality than this one. So not really digging into the quality. I mean, it does have some nice self-closing ball bearings. They seem to be really smooth. The metals on these, the edges seem to be a little rough. Like, you know, somebody's gonna poke their eye out or something. So you got $1,098. It's just a normal box, I guess. I would definitely go with Craftsman though, if you like lows. Alright, so you got the what is that? The storage crate for $49. You can get the system here. Not really a discount. It's just they got a sale. Maybe they'll discount them later on. You got $79.97 for the 22-inch toolbox, $89.97 for the large, or $139 for the one with the wheels. All right, guys, these are the new Packout system, link system that they got. It's like the Ryobi link system, by the way. So it says tool racks and holders. So you got some tool racks, some holders, and you got a cabinet. So lots of good stuff new coming out for the Packout. Alright, let's start with the top here. You got the Packout tool rack for $14.98. You got the M12 battery rack for $19.98. I really like those battery racks. You got the M18 battery rack for $24.98. And then to the right, you got the tool tray, the organizer, all those, and then you got the Packout cabinet for $139. All those you guys could put in that, Packout organizer thing at the wall. Obviously the lighter ones. You got the Packout compact wall plates for $19.98, or you got the large for $39.98. You got the 3-inch curved hook for $12.98, or the 4-inch straight hook. And then the bottom ones are a 9-inch straight hook, a wide hook, or a 6-inch curved hook. And they do have locks in them, guys. I'll show you guys right now how that works. And they do have the 4-inch S hook there for $14.98. Alright, here's the plate. This is the larger plate for $39.98. It's actually not a bad little deal here. I mean, if you want to get organized, keep everything red and black, this is the way to go. You got the Packouts. That actually is pretty large in size. It's like two Packout boxes, almost 2 Packout boxes wide. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad of the size. Alright, so you got the organizer there, you got the tray. You got the large organizer there on the right. That is the newer tray that they have. $39.97. You got the large organizer here. A lot of people, what they do is they gut these out. They take the plastics out and they use them as, toolboxes because they're cheaper. They still latch in with the Packout. You got the curved utility hook there, $19.98. That's an example of what you can store. Alright, let's look at this hook and this latching system. So it does have a lock at the top, as you guys do see. It's not like the Ryobi Link. This one does have a physical lock that will interlock in the system. So you guys do see, you guys move it, and you guys get the wings spread out, and it locks into place. So even if you're like in a trailer, if you got this in a trailer, your stuff is always jumping up and down, and this will make it so it stays locked in the system. So that's a good example of how you can utilize this system. With the Packout 2-drawer toolbox, $149. I do have the 3. No problems with it. It holds all my batteries. You got the large S hook. You got the straight utility hook for $12.98. And you got the straight hook utility hook, the small one. Then you got the curve hook. And another curve hook. And then you got the M12 battery rack and the M18. So I would definitely go for the battery rack. I would definitely get those because you want to get organized with your batteries if you have them laid everywhere. Especially if you're going to be doing if you have doing commercial on a trailer or something. Alright guys, we got the Pro box, the Ridgid 2.0 modular storage system. Unfortunately, they did not have any at the stores, but you guys could see it here. So 69-inch for the big toolbox and then $79.97 for the rolling. That's the Pro Card Gear 2.0. Notice that the front latches, they are metal and they are on the front, not like on the side like on the other ones. That is the milk crate here. That's the only one they had in stock, and some organizers. This is $29.97, down from $34.98. It actually feels a lot like Milwaukee Packout, to tell the truth. So lots of good quality on that. So $231, down from $329. This is a miter saw. It's a dual bevel miter saw, 12-inch from Ridgid. Alright, this is the Ryobi Link, so you guys can tell the difference. You guys can compare. $29.97, obviously it's going to be cheaper. Those are the racks. If you guys notice that it's like a diamond shape and they do not have a lock on them, at least that I know of. $64.97 for the organizer shelf. I'm sure Milwaukee is going to come out with something like this, and it'll soon be out. So if you guys are planning to get organized like that, then just wait. So you got standard toolbox, $44.97. It's actually pretty nice. Alright, you got the Milwaukee Toolbox. Very, if you guys want to compare these to the DeWalt, a lot better quality. I mean, a lot more quality than the DeWalt. For $200 more, you get a lot more box. If you guys want to get the best of the best, this Husky Pro, this thing's a beast, guys. It feels solid. I mean, it feels professional. I'm really impressed with their quality. These boxes, really nice. It does include a pegboard and some top cabinets for $10.98. That's a pretty nice deal. It says heavy duty. It is heavy duty. And you got the cabinets there on the top. I mean, the cabinets, they seem to be okay. The pegboard, everything seems to be fine. Got a nice light there at the bottom. Some grommets for cables. Alright, so this is a different type of box. It's the same thing, but different configuration. As you guys notice, it has its own type of peg board on the back. It's not a pegboard, it's like a rail system. So you guys can hang out your stuff. So different type of rail system. It does have those USB connectors, power outlets there, like any other box. It does have the self-closing, really like that. And it does have the wood top, guys. So you guys can put your laptop in here and, you know, obviously look at your projects. It's like a little office for you guys. So pretty good deal on that. It's actually not too bad. The price is not that bad, guys. For being a professional box, 52-inch. For $1,200 or $12.98, it's not a bad deal because you're getting a lot of box here for your money. Especially those deep drawers at the bottom for the bigger power tools. And this is the black version. I think I'm a little tired of seeing these black. I really like the matte black color, but I think I'm a little tired of seeing you know, the black color in these professional toolboxes here at the depots, because you see them all the time. I mean, those white ones look really nice. So. That one did get stuck. I had to put the phone down and, you know, get my both hands into that and get it unstuck and put it back into place. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.